News from Delhi, and today the CAG reports were filed in the Delhi Assembly as the BJP government had said it would. Today a CAG report on the liquor case and a report on the health clinics was also filed today, the Mohalla clinics, which says 70% of patients got consultations more in Delhi Assembly. In fact, the audit found that between 2016 and 2023, the Director General Health Service failed to effectively utilize its allocated budget for the Mohalla clinics. Remember, there was also protest today by the Aam Aadmi Party members, the MLAs out, and now 15 of them have been suspended from the assembly.
आदमी पार्टी की सरकार ने बार बार कहा कि ओल्ड एक्साइज पॉलिसी से दिल्ली के सरकारी खजाने को, एक्सचेकर को लॉस हो रहा है। सीएजी की रिपोर्ट ने इस बात को साबित कर दिया है कि आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार ने ओल्ड एक्साइज पॉलिसी को हटाकर सही फैसला लिया।
सारे विपक्ष को पता था कि सीएजी की रिपोर्ट आ रही है, इसलिए उन्होंने कल से माहौल बनाना शुरू किया। ये बात उनको अच्छे से पता थी कि सीएजी की रिपोर्ट आ रही है और उसमें बहुत बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है, और ये सीएजी की रिपोर्ट में आया है कि 2002 करोड़ रुपए का भ्रष्टाचार उसमें जितना मैंने पढ़ा है।
All right, let's go across to Ishika now for more. And Ishika, so the CAG reports were all tabled today in the assembly on the liquor policy, on the on the health issue as well regarding the Mohalla clinics. We also saw there was a protest by the AAP MLAs. This is regarding the issue of the Ambedkar picture, and the 15 AAP MLAs have also been suspended.
Well, Gargi, first let me correct you here that only one CAG report has been tabled today, and that is on the liquor policy case. In fact, it was around 12 in the noon that, this CAG report was tabled by the Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta. And in fact, the numbers that have emerged in this CAG report is quite shocking. Now, this report talks about how there was a massive revenue loss of over 2,000 crore rupees in this entire liquor policy. Now, it also goes on to say that, if we talk about, there was a loss of around 942 crore rupees due to the failure of obtaining timely permissions for opening liquor vends in non-comforting municipal wards. Also, in fact, if we talk about, this entire report talks about that how due process was not followed when it came to the distribution of license. That means there was a violation in giving license as well. Now, this report also lists that there was, in fact, lack of transparency. The checks that the government had to do, rather the department had to do, those were very weak checks, and the entire liquor policy cycle, if we talk about the entire cycle was corrupted, was polluted. It is clearly mentioned in this report. Not just that, the report also talks about how the department themselves did not, rather listen or accept the recommendations of its own expert committee when it came to the drafting of this report. So that is also a major point that has emerged now. The BJP after this is certainly, attacking the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that this is the way they have looted the taxpayers' money and used, and they are also saying that in the coming few days, more CAG reports will be tabled. Over to you.